Hey there, DigitBin is back with another helpful guide. Today I will show you how you can install Chrome extensions on your iPhone. For this we will use Orian Browser. It's a wonderful browser that's beautiful, simple and sleek, and I would even recommend it as an alternative to Safari. With Orian Browser you can not only install Chrome extensions but you can also download Firefox extensions. So to get started, simply download the app, click on the menu at the bottom right, click on Settings, scroll down, click on Advanced and make sure Chrome extensions and Firefox extension toggles are enabled. Now again click on the menu at the bottom right. Here click on Extensions. Click on the plus icon at the left bottom. As you can see, you can either install from a file or a Chrome extension or a Firefox extension. Click on Chrome extension. It will open Chrome Web Store. Search for the app. I will search for picture-in-picture mode. Once loaded, you will see Add to Orian. Simply click on it. It will download the file. Once downloaded, you will get an option to add. Click Add. Now once it's added, again go to the main page, click on menu at the bottom right, click on Extensions and enable picture-in-picture mode extension. That's it. The extension is added to your Orion browser. To test it out, I will play a YouTube video. Open the video, play the video, click on the menu option again, and there you will find automatic picture-in-picture mode or a picture-in-picture mode extension. Simply click on it and the video will turn into a mini player. If you are facing an issue, simply reload the page and test again. That's it. You can install as many Chrome or Firefox extensions and test it out. In case if you wish to delete the extension, again go to the extension page and swipe right to left to remove the extension from the browser. So, even though all extensions may not work natively due to mobile web incompatibility, you can still give Orion Browser a try and check out what extensions are working for you. I hope the video was helpful. Do subscribe.